Hey guys, I'm Ashley Thompson, the creator, and this is my friend Ella. And today we are going to make ice cream in 5 minutes. Let's get started. This is what you need: sugar, half and half, vanilla extract, salt, measuring cups, measuring spoons, small Ziploc bag, large Ziploc bag, and ice. Okay, so first I'm going to take my large Ziploc bag and I'm going to fill that up with ice. Then I have ice cream salt. I don't think you need ice cream salt, but that's just what I have. And I'm going to fill my cup to half a cup. And what I'm going to do with the salt, I'm going to pour it in my ice. After you pour it in your ice, you're going to mix it up real good. Make sure all of your ice cubes get some salt on it. Now you're going to take your half and half and you're going to fill that up to 1 cup. And you're going to put your half and half in your smaller Ziploc bag. And it's actually easier to have your smaller Ziploc bag already in your larger Ziploc bag, just so you won't make a mess. Okay, so now you're going to take 1 teaspoon, and you can either do 1 teaspoon or a half a teaspoon, but this is going to be for your vanilla extract. So you take your 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon, and you're going to put that in your half and half, which is in your smaller Ziploc bag. Next, you're going to take your 1 tablespoon and you're going to get 2 tablespoons of sugar. And you're going to pour that in your smaller Ziploc bag also, along with your vanilla extract and your half and half. Okay, now after you've done all that, you're going to Ziploc both of your bags, the smaller Ziploc bag and the larger Ziploc bag, with your ice. And here comes the fun part, guys. The part you've all been waiting for. You are going to shake your bag really crazy, and you're going to do this for I'd say about 4 minutes. Have fun. Okay, now that you're done, let's look at our ice cream. Thanks for watching.